Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can print multiple sheets to PDF at once in AutoCAD or Civil3D. Let's do it. First, just from command, write publish, enter. Here I have all the layouts, just delete this model. Delete, good. Now, from here you can change it to PDF. Okay, then publish. Select a location to save in. For example, I determine desktop and name it sheets to PDF. Just select. Do you want to save the current list? Yes. Close. You see from here appears a command. Yes. Your printing or publish job is processing. Close. You see, and now I have this logo, this printer option, publish job in progress. You see this printer icon. If you hold the cursor on it, it shows that 13 sheet is converted to PDF out of 36 sheets. Upload and publish job is completed. Good. Now, here we have sheets to PDF. Just double click on it. You see, it changed it to PDF. All the sheets. That's all. Have a nice time.